So it's been a few weeks since I've made a video. I want to update you guys real quick. So I'm actually working on a commercial pool now. We actually picked up a commercial pool, so pretty stoked about this one. Check out our new hammerhead and our cleaner over here, guys. This is like a $2,000 option right here. It looks so much better. Time to get this pool all cleaned up. Look at our new unit, guys. This thing is so much nicer than the old unit we had. Check out our new unit, guys. This thing is nice. Come on, boy, go up in there. The hell, what does this not automatically engage like the last one? Tell. All right, so we're gonna be flat hosing the pool today, so we need to get this thing out. We need this blue line over here. I also need this blue hose, so I'm gonna take this with me as well with this thing. So yeah, as y'all can see, it just becomes a vacuum, and it's pretty simple. It's really not that hard to do. It just this suction, and it's just water, power suction, whatever. Just try not to get air in the line. See, guys, it's really not that hard. It's just vacuuming a pool, and as you can see, it's just suction coming from that filter down there. So really it's not that hard. You just have to fill up the line with water, which that could be probably the most difficult part about this, but besides that, I find this pretty easy. As y'all can see, there's all kinds of dirt down there. This is going to take care of that. As you can see, it just vacuumed it all up. So like I said, it's just like a vacuum. Alright guys, so we got this done. Looks really good, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next pool. I believe we have about 14 to 15 pools. We usually have about 17 to 20 pools, but we have 2 less short. So anyways, gonna pack everything up and get everything out. Alright, I'm not even gonna bother recording the process of cleaning this pool, but this is our second pool this morning. So I'm gonna show you guys and just get some content out for y'all. I know some of y'all were kind of complaining about the short videos, so I do apologize for that. Also, my microphone, I've noticed one side's not working, so if it pisses you guys off, but I'm getting a new camera anyway, so just wait. We're at our third pool. This one's a little bit more messier, but this ain't gonna be no big deal for me. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything from the top of the water, and there we go. One thing I will say about this pool is that there's always like dead frogs and stuff in this filter right here. We're clean. Okay, I guess we're good on that. So the bottom of this pool is a little darker. I don't like cleaning the bottom of darker pools. It's just such a pain in the butt. All right, got that pool done. We're on to the fourth pool, so let's go ahead and see what that pool's like. All right, so this is our fourth pool. It looks pretty good. We barely have to clean it. So we're at our fifth pool here, so let's go ahead and get working on this one. We got a new hammerhead. I don't know if I told you in the beginning, but yeah, it's way more heavy duty and it does the job a lot better. Look at this nasty spot. Water's a little foggy, but it looks a lot better. Alrighty, boys, got this one done. I think this is our fourth or fifth pool. If I miscounted, I'm sorry. I think I miscounted it all, but yeah. So people question me on what we use for a pool vehicle. So this is our little sport track right here. So yeah, it's a Ford sport track and best vehicle ever. Alright, so we're on our 6th pool so far. So this is a pretty big one. This guy's rich, so pretty good looking pool. Now, as good as this pool looks, it's really big and it's really hard to clean. So yeah, I don't like big pools because of that reason. Okay, so this pool does look pretty cool and stuff like that. Look at that. Oh my god. But anyways, yeah, it's pretty hard to clean. It's pretty big. You go over there and clean all those filters, boy. Look at you. Walk of shame. Alright, done with that pool. So, yeah, let's move on to the 6th or 7th. Okay, we've moved ourselves to Angleton. So, wait, is this Angleton? I don't know. Alright, so we're on our, I think, 5th or 6th pool. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but yeah, looking pretty clean so far. Just need to get the top of the water nice and clean and brush it and get the little vacuum at the bottom. Yeah. That was a pretty easy pool, I guess. And put these stupid poles back here, and I think we're good with this freaking pool. Oh, look at this. So we're on our 7th or 8th pool. I keep losing count. Please explain this in the comments. I'm just gonna start counting at this point, but yeah. Filters and everything are on, or wait, what? No, not filters, the freaking jets, whatever they're called. Yeah, this is a pretty cool pool to clean. It's, really nice and shiny, it's clean, and yeah, don't have to worry about nothing bad. Look at this, guys. This thing looks great. Let's see. Why is there a purple cup in the filter? Get out of there. Eventually all this stuff will come out. Just keep banging it like a million times. There you go. Just hate it when you find a dead frog in the things, what are they called? Skimmer things? They're called skimmer filters. filters for cone filters. Look at these beautiful little waterfalls. They're so great. That's right, I got waterfalls. Ever heard of them? So we got a new hammerhead. This thing's actually pretty nice. So $2,000 just for this whole setup right here. This thing gets things done in a hurry. But look at that. Your battery voltage is not blinking. I don't know why it's blinking on camera. Screw you. Stop it. And would you look at that? Cleaner than heck. Look at everything in the back over here. Imagine if all that just flew out. So yeah, this is where Bambi is. I think Bambi died actually. There's another Bambi. We're gonna name that Bambi too. What up, Bambi? What's up, man? You know this new hammerhead looks really good on the back of this truck. Alright, so we're done with that one. What the heck is this?
.5 The Buzz. Log on to thebuzz.com.
Alright, I don't know what y'all can see, but yeah. Cleaning the pool today. This is my last pool, I think. Actually, we got filters and stuff next, so yeah. This pool's looking pretty clean, so I'm just gonna vacuum it and just go from there, actually. We're just hanging around, burning it down, sipping. So we're cleaning this pool today. This is actually one of the dirty pools that we have to clean because, you know, look, there's trees, of course. You know, when there's trees and there's a pool, you have to have a little bit of a mess at the bottom. But, you know, this is like an Arkansas tree. What is this? Can you guys let me know what that is? It's like a pine tree. I don't know. It's like a oak tree, something like that. I don't know. Spruce, maybe? Oh. Don't worry, this pool may be very dirty from the trees, but that means we get to test out our new equipment here. Yeah, that's right. I got a freaking cart. Ever heard of it? Alright, okay, so a lot of people ask me all the time, what do I do on the job? And y'all know I work for a pool service every Friday, so I get paid pretty good money. So let me tell you guys now, my boss does the filtration kind of chemistry stuff. I don't do that. I do the regular maintenance, like scrubbing the walls, just like getting everything on the top of the water, you know, with the skimmer. And I do those little filter things, get them all emptied out, and I'll get this vacuum and get everything at the bottom of the pool, whatever. And I'm learning chemistry right now. So at some point, we're planning on getting me to do the full-time job here. So I'm gonna get paid at least, like, you know, almost close to $1,000 a week just by doing this job if I do go on my own. So that is a thumbs up for me. Now that could change. Don't, you know, they could say, oh, well, you'll be getting paid like $800 a week. That could change. Pool, like, equipment could go up and they may need more money to spare. So being a company, a small company, you have to remember, if pool prices go up, I mean, well, pool stuff goes up anyways, I might get paid a little bit less, you know, than what they're saying. So even though I'll probably get paid like 600, even though he said 800, that's still good in my book. So whatever, you know, a lot of people don't even get paid that. They get paid that like a month almost. So yeah, that's just to sum that up. And he's actually teaching me about those filters and stuff over there. So I'm kind of learning. So, you know, the alkalinity stuff, the chemistry, the acid stuff, you know, all that stuff, you know, the pH levels. I'm learning all that right now. Now, I'm not exactly a smart kid. Well, I guess I could say I rate myself, I guess you could say. I don't know. But yeah, anyways, yeah, that is my job. I just basically do all the regular maintenance until, like, you know, I'm ready to go on my own. He's still trying to teach me all that stuff, like, you know, all the filtration stuff, how to work all the filters and everything. So I think once I get that down and get all the chemicals down, we'll be good. So something is broke on this pole, so it's all fogged up, so we'll have to figure out what's wrong with it. So something is broke with the pole, I'm not exactly sure. Alright, so we're trying to debate on what's broken. Okay, so me just being my boss's helper, I don't know what's wrong with this pole, but something's wrong with this system. So if we go in here, yeah, it's pretty foggy, so look at all that. So I'm guessing it's something with the filtration system. I remember him saying if it's something with the filtration system, it'll fog up like this. So yeah, chemistry and all that's destroyed. Okay, so we're working on this pole right now. Something's broken with the filtration system. As you see, it's all fogged up. So yeah. Okay, I guess now we're switching to finding a water spout. So yeah, we're gonna clean some filters. Yay, more money for me though. Hey. This thing is disgusting. Oh my god. Okay, so there was a cracked manifold and the filter right here, or these filters or whatever, they had a hole in them and one of them had a cracked little top to it, as you see, right there. So yeah, we had to replace them. Okay, we got a new manifold and new filters because the old manifold was cracked and the old filters had like ribs in them. As you can see, they're down there. I showed you in the previous clip, right? You remember that? Anyways guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. That's like 15 pulls there. Peace.